Today, Venture Window will show you how to replace your door. Most older homes require a custom-sized replacement door. The process begins by taking precise measurements of the width, height, and wall thickness to ensure the new door is built specifically for your home. Once the new door is ready, the old door is carefully removed. Before moving forward, thoroughly inspect the framing for signs of rot, insect damage, or water leaks that could affect the installation. Next, set the replacement door into the opening. Then shim and adjust it until it is perfectly square and plumb. This ensures smooth operation and a proper seal. After that, properly flash the door's sill to help prevent water from entering your home and to provide long-term protection against the elements. With the door securely in place, install the hardware. This can include traditional locks or modern features like a digital keypad for convenient keyless entry. If the door was not pre-finished by the manufacturer, it must be completely painted, including the interior, exterior, and all four edges. Proper finishing helps protect the door and is required to maintain the manufacturer's warranty. For more information or to hire a professional, visit our website at venturewindow.com.